Hi there, I'm Jake Jesty, one of the owners of Sound Evolution in Houston, Texas. We've been in business since 2016. We have one location, which is a brick and mortar retail store. Currently, we have 7 employees, but we are constantly seeking knowledgeable individuals who share our goal of becoming the best in the industry. Our business philosophy revolves around providing our clients with the best experience possible. From the moment they walk through our doors, we offer a warm welcome and take the time to listen to their needs. We strive to fulfill those needs to the best of our abilities. The biggest challenge we have had to overcome this year is how to integrate and provide quality solutions for the newer vehicles that are offered in the market today. Thankfully, we work with some great vendors and members on our team that work together to find solutions to allow us to sell products and services. This sets us apart from our competitors. Our business is unique in a way because we are always trying to find solutions for the problem the client has addressed instead of selling a bunch of SKUs. We identify the issue and do our due diligence to address their concerns and provide a solution that is effective and is of great quality. Our sales performance from the year 2020 to 2021, we saw a 60% increase in business. From the year 2021 to 2022, we saw a 25% increase in business. And from the 2022 to third quarter of 2023, we have seen a 63% increase in business. We saw a decrease in the overall business during the summer due to summer vacations and families wanting to go travel, but business is back to normal when summer has ended and the kids are back in school. We strongly believe that our company should be among the top 50 retailers. Our success stems from our commitment to maintaining high standards and exceeding customer expectations throughout the entire purchasing process. Our team is dedicated and passionate, and we go through a rigorous hiring process to ensure that our employees possess the necessary skills positive attitude, and passion for the car audio industry. This is not just a 9 to 5 job for us. I would like to thank y'all for tuning in and appreciate the panel for considering us for this prestigious award. Once again, I'm Jake Jesty with Sound Evolution in Houston, Texas, and this is our submission for the Mobile Electronics Industry Awards for the Top 50 Retailers of the Year.
Hi, my name is Richard Wong, and I would like to nominate Sound Evolutions out of Houston, Texas for Retailer of the Year. The reason why I choose them for Retailer of the Year as a nomination is because they're always evolving. From their store with purchases of equipment such as a 3D printer, scanner, laser, JL Max Tune for tuning. They always are kept up with technology. Back in their staff, all the staff are MECP certified. They attend all the trainings from our Sony training, Knowledge Fest trainings, Master Tech fabrication trainings. I see them everywhere, always learning. And it does not matter if it's a Honda Civic or a Lamborghini. Since I've known them since 2017 when the store first opened, they've always treated every vehicle the same. Everything gets heat shrink soldered. You won't find no butt connection, subwoofer boxes flying around, everything's bolted down. They're very meticulous about those little details that make them stand out from your normal shop. Another thing is they always follow up with great customer service. As soon as the vehicle's done, you get a car wash detailed inside and out. They also go through the vehicle with the customer and make sure that they know how to use everything, explain everything, as well as follow-up calls after it's done a couple of weeks afterwards to see if the client is still satisfied, which I believe all those makes an awesome retailer of the year. Thank you very much.